Hey guys, Crypto Sunday. A little bit all over the place this week with the portfolio. Ended up sort of near enough where I started. It says 2,000 down here, but I don't think I'm quite down that much. I think it's about 1,000. But a small move either way. Not a huge amount of news on the crypto side, but I think all of that is going to be overshadowed by the Fed potentially. So they're having a expedited meeting, so they weren't due to do anything for a little while. It was only a couple of weeks ago that they sort of said they expect a interest rate raise in March, and now they're having a sped up meeting basically to matters to be considered, interest rates basically. So yeah, if they go up tomorrow, then I would imagine we could see a hit to stocks, crypto, anything risky, basically. That would sort of indicate potentially more rate rises than anticipated this year, or just sped up a little bit. The inflation numbers came out for America sort of worse than expected. 6% core and 7.5% sort of all-in inflation. So that was a little bit worse than expected. So I guess this is acting on that, basically. So yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. I've got a little bit of money to deposit. Obviously not going to make a lot of difference if this drops, 10%. I've put in sort of £500, but I thought I might take a bit of a risk on some leverage tokens. So on Binance, you can buy sort of tokens that have leverage built in, so you can't get margin called or anything like that. I might put £250 in each, and if the sort of market drops as a whole or the individual coins drop, then the leverage tokens will obviously go down really hard, but you can only lose at an absolute maximum, say the £250 that you put in. You can't get margin called, you can't sort of, get force liquidated, or unless they go down like 30% plus in a day. So thought I might, if we get a drop tomorrow, I might stick some in those. But yeah, having a look at the portfolio this week. So Bitcoin, about a couple of percent down overall, but as I say, it's been sort of all over the place. No, that was the month actually. So for the week, it's slightly up, but did go to the sort of up to the mid-30s. Not a huge move though. Ethereum sort of 3% down. Cardano a little bit more, 6% down. I think Cardano would possibly be one of the leverage tokens I'd be looking to buy, because I think that's got a reasonable future ahead of it. Litecoin 2.45% up, not too bad. Power Ledger 6 down. Solana's taken quite a hit. Haven't seen any sort of news on this. I've been buying my NFTs, but I think this is probably just sort of the market being the market. XRP 24% up. This seems to be the SEC case, going reasonably well in XRP's favour, or Ripple Labs. They had some sort of good news earlier on, few sort of findings that the judges found in their favour, and not over yet, of course, long way to go in that, but yeah, seems good news. OMG network 7% down, basic attention token 13, Stella's flat, crypto.com coin 8%, 9% up nearly, so that does say down, but could just be a bug with Delta. Internet computer 13.5% down, so I was considering putting my £500 into this, but yeah, I've put sort of quite a bit recently in, up to sort of 190 coins now, so yeah, I'll probably leave that for a little while. Audius, 5% up, not too bad, weathering the downturn quite well. Cocos, 9% down, but that's been up for a little while. Boba Networks taking a real hit, 12% down. Sort of long term, this is continuing to drop. Quanstamp, 22% down. This seems to be the Coinbase pump is sort of withering away. Maybe should have sold and redeployed elsewhere, but I thought I'd let it run. Maybe a bad move. Anchor, 12% down. Not too good. Band Protocol, 11% up. Not too bad. These small caps are sort of moving around a little bit, doing their own thing. And then, yeah, just sort of keeping all of these on the watch list, really, while I sort of sell out and record the transactions and everything, and I'll get rid of Tron and Dash and New Cipher from the portfolio. So yeah, that's portfolio for the week. Be interesting to see what happens over the next week. But yeah, we'll see. Got a little bit to deploy, so if we get a drop tomorrow, I'm in. So leave your thoughts in the comments below, and like and subscribe. See you soon.